I'm Mirvaldi Joseph from Haiti, and I'm deeply honored to be here and part of this unbelievable and distinguished event. I think it would be a sign if I don't take this opportunity to thank you all, especially Dominican Republic, USA, Emirates Arab, and Cuba for their support. And special thank you to the Education Without Borders for this first-class place you have reserved in the bottom of your heart for the situation of my country by this noble initiative, Don't Forget Haiti. But watching the sincerity of your eyes, the conviction, and most of all the tenacity and the strong desire of the young people of today to change the world for the better, a world for free education, a world with charity, a world with healthcare for all, a world with unity, with brotherhood, like my friend and I, a Dominican guy, Cesar Rodriguez, a strong message for all the countries in the world in conflict who is sharing the same frontiers. And I'm confident in the name of a new Asian generation that Haiti will never be forgotten. It will survive and grow out stronger for the future. You have my words. God bless you.